Here's how to reset your Instagram Explore page in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Your Explore page is based on what you like, watch, search, and interact with. To reset it, you need to reset these signals. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Tap your activity. Select Recent Searches. Tap Clear, all to reset search-based recommendations. Go back to Ads or Content Preferences. Review interests and remove topics you don't want to see anymore. Now search and interact with the type of content you want. Like, save, and watch those posts longer to retrain the Explore page. When you see unwanted content, tap the three dots and select Not Interested. On iPhone, deleting and reinstalling Instagram can also help refresh recommendations. Instagram updates your Explore page gradually, so changes may take some time. And that's it. That's how you reset your Instagram Explore page. Subscribe for more Instagram tips.